Hi friends. Topic of today's video is over Excel work. How to do data entry work. How to do data entry in Excel. So let's start the video. This is the Excel sheet where we will learn the data entry work. When you open the Excel sheet, you only get a 2-sheet. From here you can increase the sheets in as much as you want and maintain data in different sheets. Here you can do a lot of data entry. The job of Excel is to do data entry. This is A, B, C, D, which is called column, and 1, 2, 3 it is called row. In this video, you will be told a lot of tips that will help you in doing data entry work. Wherever you work, the client will give you a lot of data in the form of a hard copy, seeing which you have to get here or any data entry software. As an exam, I have some information to do data entry. Here you see how many columns you have to create for data entry. Let us make a column here. First there is the roll number, student's name, father name. So you can reduce or increase the width of the column. From here you can increase or decrease the width of the column. So by selecting the essence, you can highlight the color. Here in the home, you select any color of it, so that the headlining looks highlight and different. Let me now make the first entry here. Roll number 1, father name, total fee deposit amount. I made the first entry. Now, after coming here, we will do the second entry, friends. Now let me tell you some tricks here, where you can fast your data entry. Let me show you one more entry. So we write the roll number here. After that press the right arrow. Then the student name, again press right arrow. The father's name is like this. Similarly, we will go to another cell while pressing right arrow. Now what will happen if I enter law? We will go to the cell below. Now if we have a very long list, it means that the number of columns is more. You will have to come manually from the last column to the first column for new entry. So this method is wrong by pressing the right arrow. There is a tab key in the keyboard. You use it. Do smart work. Let me show you an entry using tab key. I wrote roll number 3. Then I pressed the tab key and wrote student name Om. Again press tab key, write father name. Now I have not done anything. Just press the enter key and see where I started. Excel took me with the same place to enter the new entry. This will help you when you have a very long list and you have to move here and there. Now suppose you have to do some checks. So if you press the tab key, you will go to the right side and press the tab key with shift. Then you will go backwards. You press enter. The cell selection will come down, and when you press tab key with shift you will go upwards. Here I have done data entry in column. Now suppose you do not enter like this. You have to do it like this. So I will also tell you how you will do it. But you see here first. But in 99% of the cases we have to do the entry column. Here I show one more entry. Roll number, student name, father name. Now look here. If you think that the information above is what you want to do below, what will you do? You do not write the same thing again and again. Select all three and press Ctrl D. This will automatically fill up what is written above. Now suppose here there is a column where a very big number has to be written is 13, 14 digit or more. Now you will see that the full number is not showing here. Now let me give you an exponential information. It is written here that plus 11 is also written below plus 11 in the last. Plus 11 means, here add one more to the leg 11, then the number 12 is the number of 12 digits. So in this way, if you face any problem, because the number has to be shown completely, then you select the entire column. From here the whole column is selected. After that you have to click right and go to the format cell. After that you have to right click and go to the format cell. Here you will find the number. Click on the number. Here we do not need decimal. So here you do 0, that's it. Then you will see the number complete. Even if you wrote a larger number, there is a problem here as well. Now as you write the exempted number anywhere on the cell which is very long, you will see it this way if you see an entry in hash from anywhere in Excel. So this means that if the width of the cell is decreasing, then you acquit its width. Then see the whole will be seen. These are few small tricks, friends, which if you follow, you will be very easy to enter data. Right now I am doing column-wise entry. If this entry is not column-wise, it would be row-wise. So what shall we do? In this case, we first change the direction of enter. How to change the direction of enter? You can change it like you want to go to the right. You have to go to the left. You have to go up. You have to go down. So here first you have to go to File, go to Option, go to Advance. Here above all you will get after pressing enter mode selection, it's down. So let's say you have to go to the right click OK and then see. If you press enter, the cell selection will go towards the right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.